Good morning, dear guys. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to continue the same story, that is a triumph of surgery. A triumph of surgery. This is a story written by James Herriot. Here the speaker is the writer himself. Okay. Here he had been he talks about a dog named Tricky. Okay, how he was treated and cured by him, yes, at his own hospital, at his own surgery. So let's see, in our last one class we have seen the dog had recovered. Then he made a call to her, yes, to take it away or to take it as it had recovered. So then let's see what happens. As soon as he made a call to her, within minutes, look at the word is mentioned there, within minutes, within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Within minutes, the lady reached to the surgery in her gleaming black metal car. Yes, in her big car, black car. This is the description of her car, gleaming black metal. That means it is her car. So she reached there within minutes she reached there in her black metal car outside the surgery. And the chauffeur means the driver of the car opened the door of the car, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. Look at there. Here the writer means the doctor. The doctor was unable to understand who was that lady. Why? Because he was fascinated. The doctor was fascinated to see the interior designs or interior of the car. Means the car was decorated very nicely inside. Interior of the car was really very much beautiful, that the doctor did not pay attention towards the lady, but he just looking at the interior of the car. So look at there what is given here. The chauffeur opened the door. Chauffeur ने door open किया, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey. I just could miss. He make out the figure, but he was not able to make out it accurately. Why? Because he was lost in the interior. So I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Yes, the lady was inside the car. Yes, she had tightly clasped her hands, yes, in front of her. Her lips trembled, and her lips were trembling. Oh, Mr. Herriot, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Means here Mrs. Pumphrey was worried. She was worried for the dog, and that's why she clasping her hand, lips were trembling. And in that condition she asked the doctor whether it was cured or not, whether he was better or not, whether she requested him to tell the truth, whether he was recovered or whether he was better, really better. The lady asked this question to the doctor James Herriot. And here look at the reply. Yes, he is fine. The reply of the doctor. Yes, the doctor replied in affirmative way. Yes, he was fine. There was no need for you to get out of the car. He would go and fetch him. So here he said no need to come out of the car. The doctor, he himself would go and bring the dog there for her. So this way the doctor gave or answered in affirmative way and replied that yes, he was recovered. Yes, he was cured. And then what happened? The writer walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. So now the doctor went in the house towards the garden to bring Tricky back. Yes, so when he entered or when he go into the garden, there he saw a mass of dogs, a group of dogs, पूरे household dogs जो थे पूरे के पूरे वहीं gather थे, and they all were hurtling round and round the lawn. Hurtling means roaming round and round the lawn. उस lawn में, उस garden में आस पास वो घूम रहे थे सारे के सारे dogs. And in the midst मतलब बिल्कुल उनके बीच में क्या था? Ears flapping, tail waving was the little golden figure of Tricky. Tricky was in the midst of all the dogs. Ears flapping, अपने कान फ्लैप करते हुए, tail waving करते हुए, अपनी पूंछ हिलाते हुए, he was there in the midst of the mass of the dog. Yes, with its little golden figure. Okay, again appearance of the dog. Yes, golden type का वो दिखता था. In 2 weeks he had been transformed into a leaf. Leaf means flexible. Now he had become flexible in the duration of 2 weeks. In the duration of 2 weeks he had now become flexible. Why? We have seen already. The doctor had not given him not a single medicine. Yes, he had not given him any food for first 3-4 days. Then, or instead he was just giving the dog plenty of water. Then on the 4th day we have seen that he started dozing. Yes, he started jostling the dogs for food. He started playing with other dogs. He was enjoying smashed, rolling over, all those activities done by dogs. He was enjoying there at the surgery, and this way he was recovered. Yes, he was cured. So then what happened here? Within 2 weeks, he had been transformed into flexible, hard-muscled animal. Flexible तो है लेकिन साथ ही साथ hard-muscled. Previously we have seen he was just lethargic. Yes, listless, motionless, but now he had become flexible, hard-muscled animal. Okay, then he was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. But now look at the condition. He was keeping up well with the pack. Keeping up well with the pack means he was going with, or he was just going or running or walking abreast to the other dogs, the other household dogs at the surgery. Means he was managing his condition or his average or his activities to the other household dogs. Yes, and then stretching out in great bounds, jumps, high jumps, long jumps. He was stretching out himself to the high jumps, long jumps. His chest almost brushing the ground, but he was just keeping him up to the other household dogs. लेकिन बाकी जो डॉग्स हैं उनके बिल्कुल बराबर में कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर वो अब सारी एक्टिविटीज वहां कर रहा था. That means what you can say, he was cured really. Yes, then what happened? I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. So here Dr. James Herriot picked up the dog, and then he carried it to the front of the house. Yes, then let's see what happens there. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open. The chauffeur, the driver of the car, still holding open the door of the car, and When Tricky saw his mistress, जैसे ही ट्रिकी ने अपनी मिस्ट्रेस को देखा, मिसिस पंफ्री को देखा, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. Yes, look at that. What happened there? He took off from my arms. Took off. फट से उसने जंप किया. He jumped from the arms of the writer James Herriot in a tremendous leap. Tremendous means अद्भुत. Yes, astonishing. ये जो जंप होती है, leap means jump. अमेजिंग लीप लेके, अमेजिंग जंप लेके उनके हाथों से वो नीचे कूद गया एंड सेल्ड इनटू मिसेस पंफ्रीज लैप. सेल्ड इनटू मींस उस आंटी के, मतलब मिसेस पंफ्री के लैप में वो चढ़ गया. सेल्ड इनटू. यस, सो दिस वे इट शोज दैट द डॉग हैड नॉट forgotten the lady Mrs. Pumphrey, his mistress. So here when he saw his mistress, he jumped from his arms and sailed or went into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled "oh" and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. So look at the love, the relationship between the dog and Mrs. Pumphrey. Yes, Tricky and Mrs. Pumphrey. So when he went into her lap, she startled. वो भी बिल्कुल प्यार से अचंभे से अचंभित होकर बोलती है ओह, प्यार से जो बोला जाता है वैसा. And then had to defend herself. Had to defend herself means why? Because the dog started licking her face. डॉग ने उसके मुंह को चाटना शुरू कर दिया. So she had to defend herself. अपने आप को उसको बचाना था. As he swarmed means gathered over her. उसके ऊपर बिल्कुल चढ़ जाता है. Licking her face and barking. उसका फेस चाटने लगता है, बार्क करने लगता है. So she had to defend herself. उसको अपने आप से तो ये licking से बचाना था. So started defending herself. But she was too happy. To see her dog cured. उसको उतना सुधरा हुआ देखकर, अच्छा हुआ देखकर वो बहुत खुश थी. Yes, and then during the excitement, अब ये जो कुछ भी हो रहा था उसके एक्साइटमेंट में क्या हुआ देखो. I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, bowls, none of which had been used. Look at the very frankly here he says none of which had been used. None of which means though the belongings of the dog were sent, but he had used nothing. None of them had been used by the writer, by the doctor. But he helped the chauffeur. लेकिन चौफर को सारी चीज़ लाने में इसने मदद किया. To bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats and bowls. Okay, जैसे हमने देखे थे कि when he started to taking it away, the maids, the servants of the house started bringing all those things. Yes, and keeping all those things in the car that we have seen. Yes, in our previous classes. The bowls of all times, bowls of breakfast, bowls for lunch, then bowls for dinner, all those various types of coats, raincoats. Yes, so all those things he had not used at his surgery. Yes, none of which had been used. And as the car moved away, अब जैसी कार जाने लगी, moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. She leaned out means बाहर झाँक कर उसने देखा. Who? The lady Mrs. Pumphrey. She leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her limbs trembled. Tears in her eyes. वो रो रही थी भावुक होकर. Overwhelmed she was. Yes, tears were there in her eyes and her lips trembled. और उसकी जो lips है वो भी कांप रहे थे. Yes, so this way, oh Mr. Harriot, she cried while moving away. She cried, oh Mr. Harriot, how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. This is a triumph of surgery. So look at there. See, as I told you these words, a triumph of surgery, triumph, a triumph of surgery. These are the words of the lady, words of the lady. Okay, and she said it. Why? Or she addressed this to the recovery of the dog as the triumph of surgery. And there she says she could not thank him. Yes, that means there was no word for to her. There was no word to thank him. Yes, to thank him there was no word with her. उसके पास ऐसे कोई शब्द नहीं थे कि जिससे वो थैंक कह सके. And at last he said, this is nothing but a triumph of surgery. So this way there the lady called it a triumph of surgery. So I hope you got it very well. I hope you got it very well. I hope you have understood very well. And here we have seen how the lady came to the surgery within minutes. As soon as the doctor phoned her, called her. Yes, she reached there within hours. Within minutes. Within minutes she reached there in her black metal car. And again, as we have seen, look at what we have seen. About 30 feet of gleaming. Look at this is description of her car. Yes, 30 feet gleaming, 30 feet of gleaming, 30 feet of gleaming black metal car. Okay, this is the description of the car she came in. Okay, जिसके द्वारा वो आई थी, जिसमें आई थी, उस कार का डिस्क्रिप्शन 30 feet of gleaming black metal car. Yes, and again another thing of the car is given there. Drew up outside the surgery, the chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. Means when the writer saw the car, when the door was opened, he was lost in the interior. Yes, and that's why here he says he could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, so I hope you have understood the story very well. Okay, in our next video lecture we will deal with subject verb agreement. Okay, another grammar topic that we will begin. Okay, so keep watching the videos and enjoy the classes. Beside, to complete the question answers that are given in the text inside. Okay, उस टेक्स्ट पे अंदर के भी दिए हुए क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कंप्लीट करिए. Besides, to complete the question answers that are given at the back of the story. Okay, so guys, see you soon in our next video lecture. Bye bye.